Welcome friends, today I will discuss about maxima and minima. Full concept, okay? At first theory, then example. So step number 1. So this is right at first step number 1 is write given function z equals to f of xy. Just write the function and find this one and this one, del z by del x and del z by del y, okay? And put these two equal to 0 and solving 1 and 2, and from 1 and 2 equation, from these two equation find the value of x and y. Suppose x equal to a and y equal to b is the solution of equation. This point a comma b is called critical point of surface f of x comma y. This is our critical point x comma y. A comma b is our critical point. And next step is find r equal to double derivative, okay, and s equal to this one and t equal to this one. So find these three, okay, at point for point which one, a comma b, okay. After finding these three, we'll get the three equation of x and y and put a comma b in the place of x and y. And after that, calculate rt minus a square and examine following cases, okay. When rt minus a square greater than 0 and r greater than 0, then point a comma b is minimum and f of a comma b is minimum value. When rt minus a square greater than 0 but r less than 0, in that time point is maximum and f of a comma b is maximum value. But when rt minus a square less than 0, then point a comma b is neither maximum nor minimum. But when rt minus a square equal to 0, then further investigation are required, further calculation required, okay. We don't predict anything, we can't predict anything, okay. So maxima or minima for our theory finish here. So let's see example. First example, okay, maxima or minima for this one, okay. For this one, which one is maxima or minima, okay. So let first write the equation, okay. Step number 2, then calculate this one, put here 0. So this is our two equation, and from these two equation just find the value of xy, find the value of xy from this equation, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, and the critical point is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. And now calculate r equal to this, s equal to this, and t equal to this, okay. Calculate it. It will be double derivative, del of del x, del x of del f by del y, okay. You already know this one is this one, okay. So this equation, so again derivative this equation respect s, okay. So here like this, so after this equation we get the equation of r is t. So just put 1 comma 1 in the place of x and y, okay. Then calculate r s t, and r equal to 6, s equal to minus 3, t equal to 6. Now calculate rt minus a square, okay. So just put the value of this, and it's 27, but 27 greater than 0 and r also greater than 0, then which case, okay, it's not this one, both greater than 0, then minimum value, okay. See here minimum value, okay. Then this point is minima, and here minimum value, so value is just put 1 comma 1 in our fxy equation and get the value of minimum value, okay. Get the minimum value. And second example, okay, sine cos, okay. So here is this is our equation, and at first find this equation, okay, here, and second one, and put both 0, okay. Actually basically see that sine a cos b plus sine b cos a, formula is sine a plus b, okay. same here. After that, for maxima and minima, these two will be 0. So this one equal to 0, this one equal to 0. So see here, these two equal to 0. After that, you can say that sine theta equal to 0 means what? N pi means pi to pi. You can actually sine theta equal to 0. That means also sine n pi, but n can 0. But actually here we need non-zero value. So we take the first two value. Take the first two non-zero value. Okay. So pi and 2 pi. Okay. So here this one equal to pi and 2 pi. This one equal to pi and 2 pi. So from this equation, just solve. Okay. So here we get x equal to y. After that, put this one and find the value of xy. X equal to pi by 3 and y equal to pi by 3. After that, for 2 pi is for pi and for 2 pi the value of xy is 2 pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. So here 2 point. Let's see which one maxima and which one our minima. Okay. So we get critical point, 2 critical point. Okay. Now calculate r. At first we calculate, actually I am now calculating the RST for only this one, and this rest one you can do yourself. Okay. And find the value RST for this point, RST here, or RST, and after finding the equation, just put the value in our equation. So here case 1 means at point this one. Okay. Just put the value pi by 3 here, RST. After that, calculate RT minus A square, but it greater than 0 and R what? R less than 0. So obviously which one? Maximum value, because see here, see number 2, RT minus A square greater than 0 but R less than 0. That means what? Maximum. Okay. Then see here, it's obviously maximum value, and maximum value is just put the value of xy in our main equation, f of xy equation, then get the value of maxima. And please you calculate the point for 2 pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3, that means case 2. Please calculate yourself and see its maxima or minima, and find the maximum or minimum value. Okay, and comment here. Thank you all. I think you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.